Are you an average man? In our day and age, most men are soft, weak, and fragile. They live uninteresting lives, lacking discipline and a hunger for success. They are mediocre. As men, we should completely and utterly detest mediocrity. The gift of being a man should not be wasted. Today, I will teach you how to transform your life from mediocre to exceptional. Before we begin, I must explain something to you. In order to become exceptional, we must first understand what it truly means to be an exceptional man. By definition, an exceptional man is vastly different to the average individual. His life is strange, foreign to most. Although some may define a rich businessman or a successful athlete as extraordinary, an exceptional man does not excel in one area of life, but all. This is what makes him so rare. Very few human beings dare to attempt such an endeavor, one that requires the utmost discipline and determination. With this definition in mind, let us begin. Number 1. Hate mediocrity. It is challenging to find words that truly capture the deep disgust and abhorrence you should feel towards being mediocre. As a man, the very idea of being average should sicken you. In saying this, I understand the difficulty of escaping mediocrity. Once it consumes you, it makes for an extremely difficult journey to escape its tight grasp. Whilst you may perceive mediocrity as a comfortable and acceptable lifestyle, this insight does not reflect reality. If you are in this situation, listen very closely. If you continue down this dark path, you will die wondering. Your children, grandchildren, and great-grandchildren will ask about you, only to hear the dull, bland life you lived, having achieved nothing commendable. They will feel anything but pride in being a descendant of your bloodline. When the time comes, you will lie on your deathbed, haunted by the fact that you could have, but you chose not to. This does not have to be your story. Here is how you escape. Conjure a profound hatred towards being mediocre and realize that it has no control over you. Let me repeat myself. Conjure a profound hatred towards mediocrity and realize that it has no control over you. Realize that mediocrity is not acceptable. God commands us to do our very best in this life, and the feeling of pleasure and stability you receive from being average is false, fabricated by your mind to avoid the pain of discipline. In doing this, you have completed the first and very important step to becoming exceptional. Number 2. Construct a vision. Despising mediocrity is only the first step to becoming exceptional. You must have a goal, a destination that you will work hard to reach. Lacking a vision and working hard is like driving a car without knowing where you are headed. Only a fool would do such a thing. Therefore, it is crucial to identify what you are passionate about and determine what you want to achieve in life. Do you want to become a CEO, a professional athlete, a doctor, an engineer? Whatever the situation, discover what you genuinely enjoy partaking in and construct a vision consisting of where you want to go and who you want to become. In saying this, do not be hasty. Take time. Finding what you are passionate about takes time. Also understand, the path to achieving your goals will never be straight. Your vision will evolve, change over time. Nevertheless, figure out what you want to do with your life and get to work. Number 3. Develop a brutal work ethic. Reaching your true potential is only possible through a brutal work ethic. The highest achieving men are testament to this. Look at David Goggins. He evolved from a state of being fat, lethargic, and lacking drive to achieving the vigorous demands of Navy SEAL training and completing more than 50 100-mile races. Do you think that this transition was an effortless journey? Absolutely not. It was grueling. It was a relentless battle between mediocrity and excellence. Most of it sucked. Without enduring the pain, he would not have become the man he is today. Where am I going with this? Becoming exceptional requires 110% effort. There will be many moments along the journey that suck. My intention in telling you this is not to deter you from this lifestyle, but rather to open your eyes to the fact that it will be very difficult. Amongst all of this, keep in mind that the most difficult things to achieve are the most worthwhile. Number 4. Forget what people think about you. People's opinions about you do not matter. All they do is hold you back from achieving your best. This will be misunderstood, so let me explain. Without a doubt, you must humble yourself and seek criticism where it is due. You also ought to listen to advice from people who love you and genuinely want the best for you. The criticism you should neglect is that from the randoms. That one guy on social media who hates you. That group of kids at school who make fun of you. That one guy who perceives your intense dedication to your mission as peculiar. When mediocre people see you trying to become exceptional, it makes them insecure and defensive. In life, these people will always try to pull you down, prevent you from achieving your goals. But you must understand, these people have no control over you. They do not matter. They are facing challenges of their own, insecurities, and therefore take out their pain on you. A negative person has a negative self-view, so have empathy for them. David Goggins said it best, you will never meet a hater doing better than you. Number 5. Consistency. Consistency is key. Imagine a man who desires to become exceptional at what he does. This motivation drives him to work extremely hard Monday to Wednesday. After Wednesday, his motivation wears off and he decides to take a break. Compare this inconsistent man with one who grinds every day. Despite his motivation, high or low, he gets the job done. He does not allow his feelings to dictate his actions. He is consistent. Over time, this man grows miles and miles ahead of his inconsistent, lazy competition, and he is on the right path to becoming exceptional at what he does. If you found this video helpful, support the channel and subscribe. Until next time.